You can talk. It actually records.
The tears of happiness.
Tears of anticipation.
Yeah, I remember that guy's voice.
What that crazy instructor made us build Lincoln log houses, but we're not allowed to touch them. So I like a Lincoln log house, so I don't want your germy hands on the Lincoln logs.
You're germaphobe.
That's right. This is how kids play in the 3000s.
Give it a second. So we're just building it right. Or like the coordinates.
Yeah, so find the coordinate for the log. Release. A little shaky, but it's nervous. Picks up.
Video.
I know. It's a little camera shy.
It's not very robot.
That's the camera. That's
It's
the camera.
the nervous programmers.
Should I win on the camera?
We're not going to win any races, but that's not the point.
Win the race for the slowest building road. Slowest building.
Well, I think it was Discovery Magazine. I read the article about building habitats on other planets for recognizing the raw materials. And I couldn't afford anything other than Lincoln logs, so I decided to use them.
Done.
Very good, guys.